welcome to another CBS demonstration video. This time I'm going to be talking about replacement steering wheels and how you can fit one to your car. Here at CBS we stock a wide range of replacement steering wheels, from these wood rim aluminium centre ones in black and natural aluminium to leather covered rim like this deeply dished Momo wheel and these sculptured Mountain wheels, and this very small flat bottomed suede covered wheel. Most of the steering wheels are supplied with a fixing kit of screws and nuts, and some of them have a horn push in the centre. We also stock a range of hubs and adapters so you can fit your choice of wheel to your choice of steering column. So how do you make sure that your choice of steering wheel will fit the column on your car? Let's start with the basics. If you're browsing the steering wheel section in the CBS catalogue, you'll see that most of the wheels have a PCD of either 70mm or 101mm. So what does that mean? Well, PCD stands for pitch circle diameter, and it refers to this circle of holes in the centre of your wheel. And if you measure from the centre of one hole to the centre of its opposite hole, you'll get a dimension, and in this case it's 70mm. So the PCD of this wheel is 70mm. And this one, if you do the same, measure the centre of one hole to the centre of the opposite hole, you'll see is 101mm. So this PCD is 101mm. And when it comes to choosing your hub, you first have to make sure that the hub will fit your column. We stock a range of hubs that fit all sorts of different vehicles. This particular one fits many Ford columns, and it has a hexagon in the end. And this hub fits a BMW E36 column. And then you need to make sure that the PCD on the steering wheel side of the hub is the same as your chosen steering wheel. This one has PCDs of 101mm. And this one has PCD of 70mm. And if you can't find the hub you're looking for in the catalogue, just give us a call. We have access to a full range of hubs for pretty much any vehicle. We also stock a range of quick release steering wheel hubs like this one, so you can squeeze these two components together and release the steering wheel from your hub, so you can make access in and out of the car much easier. And this quick release hub has 3 tapped holes on this side to which you can bolt a steering wheel adapter, and if you press this button on the side, it releases this hexagonal shaft, which is a component that you can weld to your steering column. Just like it's important to have your pedals in the correct position when you're sitting comfortably in the seat of your car, it's important to have the steering wheel in the right position in front of you. So you can choose a deep dish wheel like this Momo one here, or a shallow dish like this one. And of course it's quite likely that the column you have in your car will already have some adjustment in and out and up and down. Now if all else fails, there's one more possibility. For all of our P4 kits we chose a Rover SD1 steering column. When they were rescued from the scrapyard, we also rescued the steering wheel. This is a Vanden Plas one, and it weighs a ton. So you can cut through this and this leg, releasing this plate. You can scrape and cut the foam from this part, just leaving the steel steering wheel centre with the spline. And this is it. We machined the outside, we drilled some holes, and we made an adapter for this Momo steering wheel. And there it is on the column. Don't forget that inside the catalogue you'll find our range of universal joints and spline shafts, pillow blocks, as well as steering wheels and hubs, and the information you need to make the correct choice. It's all there. To find our full range of products, just head over to carbuilder.com. And don't forget, you can keep up with all the latest Car Builder Solutions news by following us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye.